Hi guys, in this video we talk about Xiaomi 13 Ultra versus Nokia N73 Pro. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra launched on April 2023 with a price tag of $999. The Nokia N73 Pro launched on March 2024 with a price tag of $1,099. The body dimensions: the Xiaomi 13 Ultra height 6.43 inches, width 2.94 inches, thickness 9.1 mm. The Nokia N73 Pro height 6.43 inches, width 2.98 inches, thickness 9 mm. The weight of the devices: the Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with 227 gram and the Nokia N73 Pro comes with 220 gram. The build: Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with front glass, equal leather back and aluminium frame. The Nokia N73 Pro comes with front and back glass and aluminium frame. And the both mobile come with
display.
Nano SIM card supported. The display type of these devices: the Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type, and the same Nokia N73 comes with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size of the devices: the Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with 6.73 inches, the Nokia N73 Pro comes with 6.81 inches, and the both devices come with 2K screen resolution. The PPI density of Xiaomi 13 Ultra 522. The Nokia N73 Pro comes with 518 PPI density. The both devices come with 120 Hz refresh rate. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with 89.5% screen to body ratio. The Nokia N73 Pro comes with 92.1% screen to body ratio. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with Gorilla Glass Victus protection, and the Nokia N73 Pro comes with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. The Nokia N73 Pro comes with 4000 nits peak of brightness. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with 2600 nits peak of brightness. Let's go to the camera setup. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with quad camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide with 1 inch sensor, 50 megapixel ultra wide, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto, and 50 megapixel telephoto camera with Leica lens, and it's record 8K 24 fps video. The Nokia N73 Pro comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide, and 50 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it's record 8K 30 fps video. The selfie camera of the device is: the Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with 32 megapixel selfie camera with 4K 30 fps video record. The Nokia N73 Pro comes with 32 megapixel selfie camera with 4K 60 fps video record. The platform of the device is: the Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with octa-core CPU with Cortex-X3. The Nokia N73 Pro comes with octa-core CPU with Cortex-X4. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 4nm chipset. The Nokia N73 Pro comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset. The Nokia N73 Pro comes with Adreno 750 GPU. And the Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with Adreno 740 GPU. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with Android 13 MUI 14 operating system. And the Nokia N73 Pro comes with Android 14 operating system. And the memory setup: the Nokia N73 Pro and the Xiaomi 13 Ultra come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM. And the internal storage: the Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with 256GB for 12GB and 1TB, and the same Nokia N73 Pro comes with 256GB for 12GB and 1TB of internal storage. No SD card support in both mobiles. The battery backup of these devices: the Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with 4700 mAh battery, and the Nokia N73 Pro comes with 5400 mAh battery. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with 80 watt fast charging, and the Nokia N73 Pro comes with 90 watt fast charging. The both mobile come with 50 watt wireless charging support, and the both mobile come with 5G network support. The common and feature is same, and the result of these devices: Nokia N73 Pro got 25 points, and the Xiaomi 13 Ultra got 20 points.
Battery. Comms and features.